I love free stuff, and my neighbors love to give me free stuff. Hey, I'm Janelle. This is toDIYfor. If you're new to my channel, I do new videos every Wednesday, so please subscribe if you haven't already. Today's gonna be a complete furniture overhaul of this cute little like entryway table that I picked up from my neighbor for free. So no, I did not find this on the side of the road. We actually have this group in the area that I live that is a buy nothing group on Facebook. So everybody is within walking distance, and up there you can post whatever you want, be it clothing, food, old items of furniture that you're just looking to get rid of and maybe your neighbors could benefit from. So I've shared a few things, a few of my DIYs I've given away on there, and I've picked up some really great things. So look and see if your neighborhood has a buy nothing group. Honestly, I love it. And I got this cute little table, completely transformed it, and I can't wait to show you what I did with it. All right, so here is a look at the beautiful piece I snagged for free, but as you can see, it's got some rough spots on the top, and it's just that yellow, I wanna say 90s wood tone, so we need to fix this guy up. So first things first, you know the drill with redoing furniture. You're gonna get your sander out. I'm working with 180 sandpaper here to start, going nice and slow with my orbital sander to take everything off, and I'm taking this right down to the natural wood tone on the top, and also same goes for this little tiny drawer. So we're gonna change out the hardware, which is an easy, quick update and fix, but I'm gonna take this right out to do the sanding for this here, which the entire body of this is going to be lightly sanded. It doesn't need to be perfectly taken down to the wood because we're just going to paint it, and sanding it will give a better surface for the paint to stick to. So what I'm using here is actually just coffee sticks. I trimmed off the top so they're not rounded anymore and they're flat. Using a little bit of wood glue, I'm going to detail the front, and I really love how this turned out. I'm using one stick to space in between, and then I'm gluing down every other stick essentially. You really don't have to hold it for too long, and then you just gently slide out that piece, and this worked really well and was incredibly inexpensive. At the end, I just used an X-Acto knife to trim off these pieces, and they bent and snapped really well. And everything held really well too, and I just gave it a sand on the bottom to get rid of any of those rough spots. And it did take forever, but the detailing on the front, I think, was totally worth it. It totally elevates this. Now I'm going in with some black paint, and I'm going to paint the entire base of this. It was very tedious to get in between every single one of those grooves on the front, so it was a pain in my butt. And I did 2 full coats of black paint on this, and she's starting to look really good. I'm gonna leave the top natural. I am planning on reselling this, so I kind of thought that black and natural would be my best bet to be able to resell it because I don't have space for it in my place. But I'm just going in with some polyurethane. I did that on the top, and I'm also doing it on the black as well. I find that with this black paint in the past that I've used, dust kind of sticks to it really easily, and I'm hoping that Varathane will help that, but it's also just going to protect this. Just a tip, if you are looking to get an extra smooth surface, make sure you sand very lightly in between each coat, and I did 3 full coats of Varathane on the top and only 1 on the body, just because the top is going to have, you know, a lot more wear and tear. I added a simple new little drawer pull that fits this so much better, and I cannot believe this transformation. I think that this table is going to make the perfect entryway little space, you know, throw your wallet, maybe your keys, sunglasses or something in that. It is a small drawer, but it's perfect for a small entryway, and man, I wish I had a space for it because I love how it turned out. But let me know what you thought of this complete flip. And I can't believe that I got this for $0. I love it. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll be back next week with a new DIY.